This is my 1-minute dough bread. No kneading, no shaping, and no complicated techniques. Just mix the ingredients, let the dough rest, then bake it until golden brown for a loaf that's crisp on the outside and with a soft, airy crumb inside. Honestly, anyone can make this bread at home. Let's make it together. Let's start with the yeast mixture. Here I have water, and for this recipe I'm using instant dry yeast because it's easy to use and doesn't need to be activated separately. Then add some extra virgin olive oil. It gives the bread a beautiful aroma and flavor. I personally love using olive oil in this recipe. Now give everything a quick stir until well combined, then set it aside while we prepare the flour. For this recipe, I'm using 660 grams of bread flour, which is about 23.3 ounces. Then add salt, around 8 grams. Now let's bring everything together. Slowly pour the yeast mixture into the flour and start mixing. Keep mixing until no dry flour remains. That's it, easy. There's no kneading required for this recipe. Just mix everything together for about 1 minute. The dough will be sticky and much softer than typical bread dough. Don't worry, that's exactly what we want. While the dough is resting, the flour absorbs the water and the gluten develops naturally. Now cover the bowl and let the dough rest at room temperature for about 1.5 to 2 hours. If you have extra time, you can refrigerate the dough overnight and bake it the next day. This simple step develops even better flavor and texture. After resting, you'll notice the dough has become soft, airy, and elastic. Now, lightly flour a sheet of baking paper and gently transfer the dough onto it. Dust the top with a little more flour. Fold the dough from both sides toward the center, rotate it, and repeat. These folds help the dough hold its shape and create those beautiful rustic wrinkles on top after baking. Once done, transfer the dough to your baking tray. Here, you can use a loaf pan, round tray, square tray, or even divide the dough into smaller loaves. Cover and let it proof for 15 to 20 minutes. While the dough is proofing, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until beautifully golden brown. For an even better rise and a crispier crust, pour some hot water into the tray at the bottom of the oven while baking. And just look at that bread. Beautifully golden, perfectly cracked, and wonderfully crusty on the outside. Look at that crumb, soft, airy, and full of texture. This is the perfect everyday bread. Easy to make, easy to bake, and perfect for anyone who loves fresh homemade bread without the extra work. So, what do you think? If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who bake bread at home. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes and baking tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your bread.